Hey everybody, welcome to Vacuum Wars. Today I'm reviewing a new stick vacuum from Bissell called the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Slim Corded Stick Vacuum 2897. I put it through all of our usual tests over the past week, and in this video I'm going to go over all the pros and cons. So links in the description, and let's get started. First, the basics. The Pet Hair Eraser Slim is a corded stick vacuum, not a cordless stick vacuum. The cord is pretty long though, at 27 feet, which is as long or longer than most upright corded vacuums. It comes with a wall mount, a crevice tool, and a suction-powered pet tool. The big thing though is that it's the first corded stick vacuum Bissell has put out with their patented tangle-free brush roll. Starting off with the pros, I like the way it handled and its ease of use for two different reasons. The first was its handle. It has a handle that you can either hold from the side or from the top, and that makes all the difference in terms of making sure your arm doesn't get tired, especially when you hold it from the top, where gravity does most of the work. So few stick vacuums have that feature, and I think it's a great design. The other thing was the swivel, which was notably smooth, maybe the smoothest I've ever tested. It's not a huge deal, but those two factors combined for an overall good ease of use score. I really like the cleverly designed floor head, which had 3 gates, 2 smaller ones on the outside and 1 larger one in the center, which struck a good balance with having a good seal, but also having the ability to get larger debris if needed. On that point, its surface pickup ability was well above average, picking up fine debris quickly and efficiently from both hard floors and carpet. It was great with small to medium-sized debris on both surfaces as well. It was even able to pick up large piles of debris, which is something I don't even try with most vacuums. The Cheerios were pretty flawlessly picked up, and it even picked up the majority of the Fruit Loops. Some of the larger Fruit Loops were not picked up, but the handle is easy to remove in that event. The big pro, of course, is the patented anti-tangle brush roll. I've tested Bissell's anti-tangle brushes over and over again on various models, and they all do excellent with resisting pet hair tangles, and this one is no exception. I tested this with 1 gram of 7-inch human hair, which was flawlessly picked up with no tangles. I try to go above and beyond the standardized test here and do an extreme version with 1 gram of 14-inch hair as well, and the Pet Hair Eraser Slim picked it up with minimal, like 4% of the hair left on the roller, which is one of the best scores I've seen with the 1 gram of 14-inch hair test, and really that 4% was within the margin of error. All that to say, it does really well at its main jobs of picking stuff up and resisting pet hair tangles. One more pro was the noise level, which I measured at 71 dB, which is one of the better scores I've seen on any kind of vacuum in a while. Before I move on to the negative stuff, I wanted to mention the power tests because they aren't really bad or good, but just kind of average. I measured its suction and its airflow at various places on the vacuum and found that it was pretty good. If you compare it, for example, to a Bissell cordless vacuum like their latest cordless, the Icon Pet, it's quite a bit more powerful and a lot cheaper. But that's because this one has a cord and the Bissell Icon Pet doesn't, and typically cordless vacuums just aren't as powerful as vacuums with a cord. If you compare it to a close competitor like the corded Shark Rocket Zero M, it has a lot more suction and about the same amount of airflow. So these numbers, while they're not amazing, they are certainly above average for this style and price range. On the carpet deep clean test, where I embed sand into medium pile carpet and weigh the bends before and after each run, it scored a 92 twice in a row. And again, that's good compared to, say, a cordless vacuum like the Icon Pet. And that's actually the same score I got with its close competitor, the Shark Rocket Zero M, with the same test. Its filters were decent for this price range. Bissell calls it multi-level filtration, but it doesn't have a HEPA filter or a sealed system, which is not surprising as very few vacuums in this price range do, but it would have been nice. One area that I really didn't like was the way that you emptied the dustbin. The problem, as I saw it, is that it doesn't have a door that swings open with a button push or a latch that you pull a door open like so many others do. Instead, you have to take it off the vacuum, remove the filter from the inside, and then dump it. It's not that easy to do, and it seems like an oversight, though Bissell advertises it as a feature and not a bug, so I suppose it must be good for debris not getting stuck in the bin or something. It just seems like an extra step that I would have preferred not be there. Another thing was that while the ergonomic handle was great for regular vacuuming, I found that using the attachments was kind of awkward, and I really felt the full 4 pounds on my arm when I was using it that way. So I think the Bissell CleanView Pet Slim is way above average in the way that it handles and ease of use, its general pickup ability on hard floors and carpets, and certainly its ability to resist pet hair tangles on the brush roll. But because of its cheap price, you do sacrifice a little bit on filtration and power, but all in all, I think it's a great budget vacuum that is definitely worth recommending. Links in the description, and be sure to subscribe to Vacuum Wars to keep up with all the latest vacuums, and thanks for watching.